Hello, my name is May, and welcome to my channel, Applied Virtual Solutions. Thank you for joining me today. First, I give information about companies who are looking for job seekers. Some are urgently in need of employees to manage their phone, data entry, chat or email workflow, and other office administrative duties. If this is something that you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel. Then click the bell to be notified of upcoming job opportunities. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Okay, let's get started.
I am presenting to you two companies that are hiring for remote customer service representatives. The first company is Faniel, and they are hiring customer service representatives to support one of their health insurance providers. Faniel provides a broad array of business process outsourcing solutions, from customer care to technical support. The pay for this position starts at $14 an hour. You will need a separate, distraction-free workspace within your home designed to improve your productivity and high-speed internet. Faniel is looking for empathetic, considerate, caring and enthusiastic customer service representatives (CSR) to deliver excellent customer care and create sustainable value for customers. The CSR will investigate, process, resolve, and respond to member, provider or beneficiary inquiries received via multiple contact methods regarding benefits, eligibility, materials forms, ID cards, PCP changes, complex inquiries and quality care issues. CSRs will direct and/or adjudicate claim-related inquiries. Training schedule. The training schedule will be Monday through Friday 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 5 weeks. On-job training (OJT) schedule. The on-job training (OJT) schedule will be 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday for 2 weeks. Hours of operation. The hours of operations of the call center are Monday through Friday 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and Saturday 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., although extended hours may be required in accordance with needs of the business. These extended hours may include mornings, evenings, and/or weekends. Experience required. High school diploma or GED. Minimum of 6 months call center experience or at least 1 year of customer service experience. Knowledge of mainframe and computer (PC) and Internet applications. Microsoft Office applications. Excellent telephone tact and diplomacy. Excellent written, verbal and interpersonal communication skills with supervisors, peers, and customers. Proficiency in keyboarding, data entry and the ability to attend 100% of the required weeks of training. Other requirements. Successful completion of drug screen and background check. Ability to work the hours of operations as shifts will not be assigned until the end of training. Ability to attend 100% of the required weeks of training. I will leave the link to this position below in the description area.
The second company is Asurion, and they are hiring technical support representatives. The pay for this position is $16.75 an hour, and it is full-time. Asurion is a global technology solutions company. They solve tech-related problems, advise customers on meeting their needs. If you love technology, and have exceptional customer service skills, love solving problems and love being part of a team, then you may be a fit for this position at Asurion. Asurion offers great benefits. Multiple health coverage plans including medical, vision and dental, vacation time, holiday pay, 401k, collaborative culture, career advancement opportunities after just 6 months, minimum requirements. High school diploma or GED, flexibility, the ability to work nights, weekends, and holidays, 6 months of customer service experience, pass pre-employment technical assessment, must be comfortable offering customers upgraded services and overcoming objections, willing to submit a background check and drug screen. If you feel that this job is a good fit for you, I will leave the link below this video where you can apply. Thanks for joining me today, and if this is the first time visiting my channel, subscribe and click the notifying bell to receive upcoming job opportunities. Don't forget to like this video. Until the next job announcement, have a nice day.